we are group 11. Our task is to establish database connection between Oracle and PDO for performing CRUD operation: create, read, update, and delete. Here we have the connection code. um, and we also have the connection in the SQL developer. We called it PDO. In PDO we have table student. As table we are going to use this is the username and the password. Or if connection is successfully, we will see this message, and if it fail, we will see this message. Let us test if our connection is working. Let's open the browser. Here you see the connection is successfully. If we use the wrong credentials, let us check. Let's change the password. 1234. Save. Come back to our browser. Refresh. You see the failed to obtain a database handle, as there is either invalid username or invalid password. If we come back in our code and use the valid credentials, you see we will see as the connection successfully. Here, as our task is to establish connection between Oracle and PDO. Let's perform the CRUD operation. We have written the code before we take this screen record. Here is our backend code. We also have front-end code for the user interface. Let's learn it to see if CRUD operation works. See here we have to insert student ID, student name, and class. Let's insert the student ID 21, student name, let us call it Jory, and class IT level 7 IT. Then create. The new record successfully. Let us check if we can retrieve data that stored in database. see we have 3 records in our database. This is our last record, Jory. As you see here in our database, we have Carissa, Lorinda, and Jory as displayed here in the browser. We should also update only student ID couldn't be updated, but name or class should, we are able to update it. Let's update the student ID number 1, student ID 1, called, whose name is Carissa and class is P6. Let's update it. Let's use Tanjada and the class level 7 IT. Then click update and submit. The record updated successfully. Let us check if updated. You see, already updated. We should also delete. Let's delete student ID, student whose ID 2. Deleted. Let us check if deleted. See, already deleted. In our database also deleted. As our task said is to establish connection between Oracle and PDO for performing CRUD. As you see, we may create or insert new student, read or retrieve data stored in database, update and delete.